Good morning, parents. This is Dr. Sagrika Roy Bhatia with you, the author of the book Just Expressions. Now, parents, as you all are well aware that our children are moving towards the 21st century, and developing 21st century skill sets is very, very important in them, and creativity is one such skill which holds paramount position amongst all the 21st century skill sets to be developed. Now, that creativity brings me to the topic that is canonical perception. What is it? If I ask you all or maybe your children to draw a picture of a cup, what is it you will be drawing? This is something you will be drawing. This is how the children see a cup. Please excuse my drawing, I'm not very good at it. But this is how you and me and our children would draw the cup. But this is also how a cup looks. This is from a different angle. How the cup looks. So parents, it is very important. So when the child is drawing this cup, this is how the child perceives the cup. This is at the angle at which the child perceives the cup, which is called canonical perception. But it is very important that we also introduce our children to different dimensions, because the world is moving towards 3D, 4D, 5D, 8D, So the way the world is moving, we also have to expose our children to those kind of imaging. And how do we do that? Very simple. We always discourage our children from playing video games. But let me tell you, parents, video games are one of the best games that are multidimensional and exposes your child to various dimensional, and as a result of which your child perceives the various dimension, learns to see things differently. So it's not too late. Even now, if you take your children to the mall and there is a gaming zone in the mall, expose them, take them to the gaming zone, and you see those gun games where they fight, something like a Mortal Kombat or something like Minecraft. These are the games that give you expose the child to various dimensions. And once these dimensions gets etched into your child's brain, the creativity will improve and your child will start looking at things with a multi-dimensional outlook, which is the need of the 21st century. So I leave you with this thought, parents. Happy parenting. Enjoy your Sunday. Expose your children to more visual effects, more video games, and have a nice Sunday.